Diario Forecast, a speedy way to examine multiple business scenarios by James E. Whistle, December 2006, Journal of Accountancy, presented by Shinji Naganuma and Hao Wang. The purpose of this video is we're gonna make one big picture of the effects or results of changing values or changing assumptions, and so that will save our times. We're gonna see it by three methods: one, spinner button; two, scroll bar; and three, conditional formatting.
Right now, I'm gonna introduce how to use the spin button to change the number when we change our number of our assumption. By doing this, first of all, we need to open our developer, and we go to the file here, and we click on choose the option. We go to the customize ribbon here, and we will see under the customize the ribbon, we see the developer. We click on there, and we click OK. So right now we will see our develop button here. Okay, by doing this, we go to the D22 and we enter the number 100, because we need to create the formula here and to connect the number of assumption here. So by doing this, we can successfully perform the spin button function. And then we go to here, we type equal and click on T22, we divide by 1000 and we enter, and then we go to the developer here and click on insert, and here we will see the spin button here. We click on there, and we can create our spin button here, and then next step we right click and we will see the format control here. We click on format control, and then we will see the screen show up here, and we will see current value. We will enter the 100, and minimum value will keep the same, and maximum value we assume we will enter 200, and here percentage we assume we will change to 10%. And for the cell link, we will go to the D22 here and we click OK. And so right now we can see whenever we increase the number here or decrease the number here, we see our actual quarter, the number of our actual quarter, and the number of our quarter 1 and quarter 2 for forecast number change as well. The next method we are gonna introduce is scroll bar, and by doing this, we go to the D cell 21 first, and then we enter the number 1000 here. And right now we want to go to the B17 here, base quarter cell, and we equal, and we click D21 and we tie. Here we enter the 100 here, we enter, and then next day we will go to developer and we go to insert. I click on insert. Here we will see the scroll bar here, and we click on scroll bar, and then we can create here. Okay, and right now we right click and we see the format control. click on format control here, and we see the current value here, and we will enter the 1000, and mini value we will enter 800 here, and the maximum value we assume we will enter 1200, and the percentage here will assume the 10%, and the cell link we'll go to the D21 here, and we click OK. And right now we can see whenever we increase or decrease, the number here also change as well.
Okay, this is Shinji. Now I'm gonna introduce the conditional formatting. And conditional formatting is a tool that highlights cells. In our case, we're gonna see return on cells. It's gonna change the cell colors or letters color when that meets some certain assumptions. So let me pause a second, and here you go. I prepared a table for you, and see if the return on sales, this value is smaller than 0, you're gonna highlight it with a red color and red background, and with a white letter print. If it's between 0 to 2%, your background's gonna be yellow and with black letter. If it's greater than 2%, green, highlighted green with a white letter print. So make sure your cursor is now on the B14, and go to Home tab and press Conditional Formatting, and on the top it says Highlight Cell Rules, and we go less than 0%. If it's 0%, less than 0%, we're gonna custom format and fill with a red color, and the font is white. And click OK. Oh, I see. And do the same thing again, and go to here, and now click between 0 to 2%. Then we're gonna format it with a if it's between 0 to 2, we're gonna format it with a yellow background, and font is black. So press OK, and OK. And lastly, if it's greater than 2%, then we're gonna format it with white letter and fill out with green color. That's OK, and OK. You see, I format this cell, and now if you change your assumption, if it goes to less than 0, it turns to red. If it's between 0 to 2, it's yellow, and if it goes greater than 2%, it's gonna turn it green. So now you have to do it the same thing for this cell and this cell too, but the easiest way is just press Ctrl C and right cursor and Ctrl V and Ctrl V, and what we did is just copied this format and paste it to this cell and that cell. So if we move it here, this is less than 0, so it turns it the background is red, and this one is between 0 to 2, so yellow, and this is greater than 2, so it's green. So conditional formatting is automatically format the cell colors and according to the each assumptions. So this is our presentations. Mahalo.